Hey there guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to make this amazing infographic moving template and in PowerPoint in just 2 minutes. So tag along and watch till end. Go to format background and change the background color to black. Next, close the format background and go to insert tab and shapes and insert a rounded corner rectangle. And the next thing you're going to do is change its color, remove its outline, and here you go. I'm gonna use a light brown gray color. So here goes the color and I'm gonna duplicate. uh, First of all, insert your text in it and then change its color to white and align it into the center. And here goes. Let me just remove some of the unwanted part of this text. And next, insert title. And here you go. Now what you're going to do is bold the text because it is the title of this template and we want it to be prominent onto the template. So we're going to select all of this content and group it by pressing Ctrl plus G and then duplicate it by pressing Ctrl plus D about 3 times, and then we're gonna select all of these and put them into the middle. Next, we're gonna insert a rounded corner rectangle below and make it fully rounded. Change its color to the same of the rounded corner rectangles and remove its outline and insert a small circle of about 1 centimeter height and length. You're going to put it below and in the center of the first rectangle. Here you go. Be sure to align it fully and then remove its outline and change its color. And for this rounded corner rectangle, change its color as the same as the circle. Duplicate this template and move this circle in a straight line to the next below the next rectangle. Change the color of the second rectangle and remove the color of the first rectangle. Duplicate this template and do the same by removing the color of the second rectangle and also changing the color of the third rectangle. Duplicate this slide and repeat the process over. Move the circle below this fourth and the last rectangle and change its color to the same as that one. Select one of the template and give it morph transition, then apply it to all. So this is the final result, and if you like this video, be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel, and you can also get more free templates from the link in the description below.